Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Real quick one. Starting to see a lot more modifications and products available for the G80X platform. We've currently got this G82, it's been in before for detailing, springs, wheels and exhaust. He's now gone for a bit of an engine styling kit as well as a bit more sound and performance. On this, which is the first time we fit, is the new Dinan intake system, direct from America. This is the carbon feed. Now what's interesting about this one is it's just almost like a direct replacement on the top. So you use the original cold air feeds underneath, which is actually pretty good from BMW. And it fits nicely between prices of eVenturi and Armour Speed and MST, so it's bang straight in the middle. And it looks amazing, so it's a really good value system and it sounds really good. We're gonna get some sound clips in a minute. That tied up with our Motech strut brace looks really good. Customers also had the engine cover painted, which looks pretty good actually in the gloss black, just to finish it off. Let us know what you think of this stunning G82. Let's get it outside and make some noise.